This is the 8-foot perfect practice mat for you golfers out there that want to practice at home. This thing's nice. There's no electricity. It uses gravity to go ahead and send the ball back to you right where you want it to go. Let's go ahead and put it together real quick. Let me show you how it works. These right here are all magnetized, so they're really, really easy to stick together. You just make sure that you put them the right way, just like that. Nice thing is, if you only want to go from like the 3-foot mark or 4-foot mark, you can just go ahead and stop right here. But if you want to go all the way down, you just kind of keep going until you want to get to your destination. So this right here is really, really nice to be able to put together. I mean, super, super easy, really, really professional looking. So we can kind of move it against here. Just like that. So now I have it all the way at the end of my mat. Let's go ahead and grab the putter here and let's try it out. Okay, so I have my putter. Let's go ahead and put it down here and let's give it a shot here. So I'm going to put it at the 6-foot mark. Let's go ahead and try a putt. Oh. And it comes right back to you if you miss for the most part because of the gravity of the hill. So let's go ahead and try it again here. And in it goes. And then it comes all the way back down here until it reaches the end point. Like I said, you can go ahead and change your end port too as well with it. Really, really nice. Plus, it also has a spot for you to actually save your ball. Put it right there. It can hold 3 or 4 different balls with it. So there it is, the perfect practice mat. I hope you enjoy it as well.